Hello everyone, this is James Ellsmoor from Island Innovation, and I'm here with Coen Baker from the Waste Transformers of Amsterdam, live here on the site of COP27 in Egypt. How's your COP experience going so far, Coen, and what brings you here to Egypt?
Hi James, thanks for being here. It is a great experience actually to see it. There are so many people here, so many companies, so many communities here, all talking about a similar subject, climate change. But actually climate change is so much more than one subject. And we are actually here talking about food waste. And food waste is not really a big subject here. If food waste would be a country, then you have China, you have the US as the biggest polluters, and then it would be food waste as one of the biggest CO2 emitters in the world. So we are putting food waste on the agenda here. Yesterday we won an award. It was the African Grows Green Award. So we are very happy that we create awareness in this way on food waste, but also about the solution.
Absolutely, and I think we hear a lot about plastic here, and especially in the ocean community, but food waste is such a big issue and not something we're talking enough about. So your solution, your prize-winning solution, congratulations. Tell us a little bit about how that works and why food waste should be on the agenda with solutions like yours at the COP.
I think there are many solutions out there to do something with food waste. What our company is doing, the Waste Transformers in Amsterdam, we are building a solution that allows communities and companies to transform their own food waste on site where it is produced. And that is in an anaerobic digester, which is built inside shipping containers. So we place these anaerobic digesters next to a hotel, on an island community, in municipalities, or at airports, or whatsoever, everywhere where food waste is being produced. And then the staff or the community brings the food waste to the waste transformer. It's being shredded and pumped inside a container. There, biogas is formed from the food waste. So it's in a digestion process, and in the container itself, the biogas is turned into electricity and heat, and that feeds directly back into the building or into the community who needs it. So in this way, you don't have to transport food waste over long distances to be landfilled somewhere. Even on islands, they put it on boats and bring it to another island, which is costing communities and organizations a lot of money. But at the same time, food waste contains a lot of nutrients. And what we do is we harvest those nutrients and turn it into a liquid organic fertilizer that can directly replace artificial fertilizer. And artificial fertilizer is made in the oil and gas industry. So that's in essence already a very damaging product to use in soil health.
Absolutely, and one of the things I think is really interesting about your solution is that it's modular, so it can be done on a relatively small scale, which is often a problem with solutions for island communities. So talk a little bit about why this product, the solution, makes so much sense in the island context.
So islands have often a very remote place, so or they need to bring in products, or they need to kind of bring out products again to keep the islands clean. So what our installations are doing, our waste transformers are doing, they allow these communities not to buy diesel for energy generation because they can generate their own electricity. They don't have to buy mineral fertilizer for growing crops, for example, but they're also creating social jobs. So what we, for example, doing in Freetown in Sierra Leone is we are placing multiple waste transformers in and around the city. And youth groups, they are bringing the waste to the most closest container, the closest waste transformer nearby, generating electricity.
Absolutely incredible. I think it's really interesting to link up the energy, oceans, food, tourism context together in one solution, and so a holistic element like this makes a lot of sense, and would love to continue the conversation to see how Island Innovation can help you bring this to island communities around the world. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you. Thank you, James. Thanks.